be honest. Have you ever caught yourself shrinking your dreams down to what feels safe or realistic? Do you find yourself thinking, well, I better not get my hopes up? Or what if my dreams are too big and they don't come true? If that's you, you're not alone. When those thoughts come up, you are putting God in a box. In today's episode, we're having a heart-to-heart about the dreams you've tucked away, the ones that feel too big, too bold, or maybe even too impossible. If you've been playing it safe, praying small, or settling for realistic, please remember we serve a limitless God. And it's time to stop shrinking back and start believing bigger. Go grab a notebook, pen, and your favorite beverage, and let's do this. Imagine a life where your vision is illuminated, your dreams are realized, and your heart is filled with joy as you walk confidently in faith toward the radiant future God has planned for you, trusting His timing is always perfect. Welcome to the Faith Inspired Living Podcast. Hi, I'm Donna Burgher, your host, Faith Inspired Living mentor, and Radiant Mindset coach. If you're looking for a podcast that places God at the center of your personal and spiritual growth, join me on the Spirit-led journey infused with faith, hope, and love. Welcome back, or if this is your first time tuning in, welcome. I'm Donna, and I'm so happy you're here. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, let's be honest. Sometimes we play it safe. So my question for you is, are you putting God in a box? All right, now let me explain. Quite often we have dreams that seem out of reach, so we settle for what we are asking God for, and that's putting Him in a box. Now, you may struggle to dream bigger, believe boldly, or step out with unwavering faith. Okay, but why? It's because deep down, you're afraid. My friend, that fear, that hesitation is often rooted in a limited view of what God can do. You could be afraid it just might not happen, or afraid you'll get it wrong, or afraid that if you go all in, God might not show up the way you hoped. That fear is rooted in limitation, and God is not limited by anything. He's the God of the impossible, the dream giver, the way maker. So don't put God in a box. Yet, we do exactly that, limiting what we believe is possible and not believing what is possible with God. Ephesians 3:20. Now to Him who is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that we ask or think, according to the power that works in us. Now, did you catch that? Exceedingly, abundantly, above, immeasurably more than all we ask or even imagine. That dream in your heart, the one that feels impossible, too big, or too far out of reach, God is saying, surrender it to me, trust me, watch what I can do. So here's the thing. If you're too busy labeling your dreams as unrealistic or only praying for what seems to be reasonable, what do you think you will get? Faith isn't about being reasonable. It's about believing beyond and being obedient. It's about trusting that if God placed a dream in your heart, He will equip you, guide you, and provide everything you need. Let go of the idea that God only works in small, safe, manageable ways. He's the creator of the universe. He parts seas. He opens wombs. He heals the sick. He raises the dead. Do you really think your dream is too much for him? Okay, here's what I believe. God placed that dream in your heart for a reason, and He's waiting for you to surrender and say, "Yes, Lord, I trust you." And when you stop limiting Him, watch what will happen. Now, I'd like to encourage you to set aside some time today, just you and God and a journal. And I'm going to offer you these 3 questions. So write these down. Number 1, Lord, what dreams have I limited because I didn't believe they were possible? Number 2, how have I put you in a box? Number 3, what is my next best faith-filled step? Then listen for His guidance and be obedient. You are a child of God. You were created to shine, to grow, to rise, to walk confidently in the calling God has for your life. Don't put God in a box. He is God. Do not limit a limitless God. Go ahead, dream big, believe boldly, and trust fully, because the one who gave you your dreams is faithful to bring them to fruition. Now, if you're watching this episode on YouTube, write in the comments below, "I'm trusting God with the dreams He placed in my heart." Then let's encourage one another to believe without limits. Amen? Now, if this message blessed you, please share it with a friend and connect with me on social media or visit my website at donnaburgher.com for faith-inspired and faith-infused resources. Oh, and be sure to please subscribe or follow so you never miss an episode. God's plans are greater than you can even imagine. Keep praying, keep believing, and keep walking in faith. God's got you. Thank you so much for joining me today. And remember, as you walk in faith toward the radiant future of your dreams, trust that God has a plan and His timing is always perfect. Until next time, have a happy and blessed day. Bye. Now, if you enjoyed this episode, please follow, subscribe, rate, review, and click the like button on YouTube. Then share this podcast with a friend, colleague, or family member who also aspires to live a faith-inspired life so that together we can walk in faith toward the radiant future of our dreams.